What is YouTube most replayed feature? Let's find out. Hi guys, welcome. Today I am going to be telling you about YouTube's most replayed feature. So let's get started. YouTube has recently introduced a new feature which is known as most replayed. It has not been launched yet, but everybody is talking about it. So what is it and why it's going to be life changing? Well, YouTube most replayed feature means that you will be able to skip the boring parts of a video. How it works is that YouTube will allow you to simply watch the part that is most replayed by other users. This new feature that has been designed to help people identify the most popular part of the video they are watching. This most replayed feature is essentially a graph that can be used to locate and watch the most popular part of a video. So it's going to be really easy, and we will be able to simply skip to the part that is most watched by the users. And it will help us simply skip the part that is not interested or that is not actually of our help. This way, we will be able to save time and get the information we want. So it's a really good feature that is being introduced by YouTube, and you can update your YouTube anytime soon, and this feature will be available, and we will be able to simply avail the feature which is most replayed. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope that now you understand what is YouTube's most replayed feature, and you are also waiting for it, and it will help us simply skip the part of the video we were simply watching just because we wanted some main information. So you no longer have to do that, and we will be able to simply use the most replayed feature. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.